8-inch fluted blade is ideal, breaking down entire roasts into smaller pieces. High-carbon molybdenum steel is cryogenically treated to resist rust and retain its edge for longer. Textured handle is liquid welded where blade meets composite handle for easy cleaning. Blade and handle are balanced with front and rear safety bolsters to minimize hand fatigue and provide a confident grip. Preferred choice for industrial processors, butcher shops, grocery and meat markets. Industrial-grade boning knives from UltraSource are designed for comfort during all-day use for butchers, meat processors, and other roles in the food service industry. Forged with high-carbon molybdenum steel, these knives are ideal for breaking large quarters of meat into smaller roasts, separating meat from bone. The ergonomic handle is liquid welded where its blade meets the composite handle for easy cleaning and maintaining sanitary standards. Both the blade and handle are balanced with front and rear safety bolsters to minimize hand fatigue and slippage. Hand washing is recommended to retain edge. Top reviews from the United States. A butcher's knife. Let me start by stating that I have been a professional butcher or meat cutter for almost 35 years. That being said, I did not have high expectations for this UltraSource breaking butcher knife, 8 fluted blade. After using this hard for the last 90 days, I am very impressed. The knife feels right in the hand, easily controlled, making precision cuts effortless. That is as long as you keep your knives sharp. I do, and this knife quickly accepts a stone and can hold an edge the same duration as any high-dollar knife I own. I will certainly buy another soon, as my boss has seemed to have confused it as his own. I would recommend this to any serious home chef or game hunter. If properly maintained, could be passed down generations. Don't let the price fool you. It is a quality tool, not as thick, heavy-duty or cumbersome as Victor $X, but that is a welcome change for the old cutter. Buy one and enjoy.